The most powerful street-legal electric supermoto ever made was just released this week. This is the new Ferrari of e-bikes, the new Stark Varg SM. The problem is, it's too big and too expensive for most riders to even consider. What happens if you shrink the Varg down 3 times in its size and price? Let's build a mini Stark Varg SM. I'm starting with a $2,000 RTR Lite, which already kind of looks like the white Stark Varg, but soon it will look exactly like this one. As fun as a full-size bike like the Stark Varg is, I'm a firm believer that some of the most fun you can have on a bike is on a mini bike. You can ride them in more places, slow speeds feel fast, you don't need to take yourself too seriously, the maintenance is cheaper, they're easier to store and transport, the list goes on. Now that the bike is stripped, it's time to unbox this mountain of newly released upgrades. This is the new 6.7 motor upgrade kit from ENC. It includes the little bit controller. Do not be deceived by its small size. This unlocks more than double the torque and horsepower of the stock bike, alongside the upgraded high-speed motor, which can hit 10,000 RPM. No joke, the 6.7 motor kit costs $670. I got the massive 72-volt 45 amp hour RTR touring battery, which is the same size as the stock battery, but upgrades us to 72 volts with higher output and capacity. Riser bars to open up my riding position, and these beautiful RTR mag supermoto wheels. No spokes on these bad boys. All the upgrades in this video cost a total of $3,030, and I bought a second complete set to give away to one Ronster Rides customer between now and Christmas. If you buy an RTR from Ronster Rides, you'll automatically be entered to win all the upgrades you see in this video. You get a choice between a heavy steel sprocket or a way lighter aluminum sprocket. I'm going light since the wheels are already adding weight, and this will be a pavement princess anyway. Comparing this experience to a Razor build, I'm noticing I haven't crashed out yet. Just taking the plastics off a Razor is frustrating, not to mention the cutting and hammering you have to do to make everything fit. This is as simple and clean as a kit can be. The controller is always the most intimidating thing for me until I actually start to do it and remember how easy it is to color match the lugs, yellow, green, and blue, or bleu as they say in French, and blindly connect the plugs with the same shape. A little cable management, we're looking good. Just need to throw on the riser bars, and I'm keeping the stock brakes. The rear mag wheel fits with no issues, but the new gold chain I got is too long, so I'm cutting it down to the perfect length. Now that the front wheel and plastics are going on, I can't help but feel like something's missing. Like I drew an apple without the stem. It looks close enough to a Varg, but it is missing something essential. Real, genuine, authentic, certified, fake carbon fiber wrap from Amazon. This will serve as a prototype while I work on getting the real carbon fiber made to replace this piece. It's a central element of the cockpit and really ties together the mini Varg look. Raw stunts.
The carbon's tough.
Let's go.
Touch it?
Yeah. $600.
600?
Yeah.
Nothing sick.
Nah, it was like a $10 wrap on Amazon.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You actually, okay, come on.
Yeah, I haven't looked 600.
I will make these real, because I think that just, let's go, Jim. Hey, mini Varg, come on. Oh. Dude, let's go! That was only level 2. Damn. The normal fruit stand was shut down, so we got to go to another one. It's just butter smooth. I love every time Electro & Co tunes a bike, they do it to perfection. This thing pulls. I am barely touching the throttle. I'm just nervous about the brakes at this point. Still on the stock brakes. It feels like a little mini Varg gets all the carbon. I have to make these a real product on Ronster Rides. Maybe like a red flaked carbon, but also just black forged. It pops up so effortlessly. Wow. It's perfect. This is a perfect amount of power, and I can still turn it up a lot. Makes this bike so much easier to wheelie. It's even more fun than I was expecting, and I had really high expectations. Where are all the fruit stands? What is going on right now? There's usually a million fruit stands. Gotta get some geese poop on here. You know the rules. I don't make them, I just follow them. Oh, it feels so good going off the curbs. This is immediately my favorite upgrade mini bike. I love the razors, but boy, you gotta do a lot to a razor to make it feel this good. This was the easiest mini build I've done, and it feels the best by far. Hey, there's some fruit. Let's go. Hello. Can we do a big one?
Sure.
With just watermelon, pineapple, and mango, please.
No mango.
No mango? That's okay. Oh, got chili juice on me. Nothing can ruin this moment. I got a new mini Varg, some fruit, and we got the boys. I feel like I should be able to do this. Here, let me turn my power down. Don't tip it, it'll juice you. Thank you. That was hard. I don't know why that was so hard. Thanks.
Bro, ridiculous how fast that is.
It's so fast.
It doesn't even look unsafe either. It looks like.
It feels like it can handle it, right? Because you know, some bikes, it's got the power and you're like, it shouldn't have it.
Exactly.
This feels, oh, this feels good. Hey. So I was told that all the fruit stands with the rainbow umbrellas are the cartel.
Did you just say that?
No. So my,
Even so,
yeah.
I used to think individuals own each fruit stand. There's one company or person that owns all the fruit stands, and those are all their workers.
Well, that's what I'm saying, and they all have the same umbrella. So it would make sense, it'd be like a cartel thing, because it's money laundering, it's human labor trafficking. But the fruit's so good. It's the only cartel activity I'll support. Speaking of the cartel, this is MacArthur Park, the destination of a lot of their goodies. And I'm not talking fruit. Please, please, please. Elders first. What's the vibe? What's the vibe? I'm kind of scared. Woo! Ugh! Yeah. She needs some water or something. Oh. Oh. This is 11 kilowatts. It goes up to 14. I have no interest in going that high. Wow. I want to put some Ultra B brakes on this. Imagine having all that power. Oh. I didn't see the red light. Yeah, I didn't see it. Did you see the way I stopped? How weird is it to see an RTR going that fast?
Let me try that hard. Oh shit.
It's 11 kilowatts. It can go up to 14. I think 11's plenty. Bro, of course we start getting chased right when I jump on the slower bike.
We are not getting chased.
No, but that'd be classic. Oh! Oh! Damn, that looks even better.
I love it.
Yeah, I'm just looking at it. It looks so good. Damn, it looks perfect. What do you think of the high bars too?
I don't really care for the high bars.
Oh, you don't really like them?
You don't like it? It only matters if you're doing jumps.
Nah, for wheelies it lowers your balance point. I like it. It gives you so much more room up here, and I feel like the balance point's lower, so it's easier to wheelie when you have the higher bars. I'm having so much fun. Let's go to your place. I want to race your e-ride.
You want me to do that?
Yeah. Yeah. Your parents know you're out riding instead of being at school?
Oh, no. I have a 3-day weekend.
Oh, it's a 3-day weekend. What's the holiday?
People Free Day.
People Free Day. That's a new one. Did they just make that one up?
I guess so.
Cool. Have you heard of that? There's a new holiday called Free People Day. Do you need a hand, boss?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, slow swerve. Okay, high power. I'm going all the way up to 14 kilowatts. Maximum torque save. Bro, 14 kilowatts is crazy. You're running 16 kilowatts. I'm running 14 kilowatts. But we're not racing these two bikes to decide which one you should buy. They're two totally different bikes, so I'm just interested. Our wheels are almost the same exact size, too. It's kind of cool. I'm at my highest power. I've never even tried this, but let's run it. Here we go. Yeah! 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 Let's go! We're matched! We had the same top speed.
In a longer stretch, I'll beat you.
No.
Your top speed on that is
67 it says in the app.
Oh damn, we actually might.
Let's try on the way back. 3, 2, 1. He said, see you later. Talking about, this is pretty f***ing close. But he's got me. Now this is why you get a supermoto instead of a street bike. You get all the fun in the street, and then you pull off into the dirt, and you can get away with it. Whoa! LA's the best city. Look at this. Skyline view. Full-on mountain bike style trail. I'm picking up more speed than I want to, and I have zero traction. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. This is so trippy. Easily one of my favorite bikes of all time right here. I drove all the way to San Francisco and back, so that was 15 hours just to get these parts in time for this video because I'm going to Miami on Saturday for the Miami Mega Ride.
Oh, surronster.
Oh, what's up, dude?
I see your videos every day, dude.
That's so f***ing cool.
Made it, safe.
Let's go. Dude, I'm obsessed with this bike. One of the best looking bikes. I'm telling you, I don't know what this little bit of carbon's just pulling it together. Stark Varg just released the new SM, and I had the honor of flying to Spain to be part of their launch video right here and a few other moments in their video.
And we deliver outstanding performance.
The supermoto has always been relentlessly powerful.
Every line of the Stark Varg SM carries our DNA.
On the first day, we had a chance to be among the first to ride the new SM before we started filming their video. Yeah!
Nice bike, huh?
Thank you, you too. Andiamo. 3, 2, 1, via. Ok.
2, 1, via!
Che cazzo! Che figo! Yo, he's Italian. I'm like trying to remember all the Italian I used to know. Getting fucking flexed on right now. With the Red Bull helmet? Come on.
Yes, no. The Red Bull helmet is on. Yeah.
For real. I mean, she's gotta be one of the best women riders in the world. Of course. Yeah.
Everyone, please meet.
Hey!
Nice helmet.
Thanks, dude.
Likewise.
Pleasure. Wow. Our first filming location was at this old racetrack. Looking good. Thanks. Nice. We're out on the new SM at the world's oldest racetrack. Allegedly. Let's just go into the highest power mode. 80 horsepower, baby. See what this track looks like. Whoa. Holy shit! This is way steeper than it looks on camera.
But maybe stand in the middle and we'll pass you.
Dude, I'm losing my mind right now. This is the coolest spot ever. Do you have any advice?
Advice?
Like any tips?
Not really, just full pin.
Just pin it.
Horsepower.
80 horsepower. I'm on. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm following you guys. Whoa! Oh! Hey, hey,
if you angle the camera right, it looks like you're really strong. I'm just so curious what's down here. Must have kept the cars in here, garages. These must have been the pits. I'm finna be in the pit.
I was like, no, like, I was gonna be in the pit.
These look like they were kids' rooms. Lucky ass kid. Imagine taking this and your view is like literally a racetrack. If your neck's really long. You got me smiling watching you wheelie and rip like that. That was awesome.
Let's spin it. Should we spin it out?
Let's do it. Let's do it. I'll follow you. That was so cool. You're fast, man. No wonder the bike's so fast. It's got to keep up with you. Let's see if this thing goes faster than Anton. Anton's faster. And then
You're gonna have to, you all have to pull the same speed anyway.
The Stark Varg SM.
I hope that wasn't too close. What's up, guys? You guys speak English?
Yeah, we are. Yeah, we live here.
What? You go to international school or something?
yeah.
No way.
Get a picture of you?
Yeah, of course. I also grew up overseas as an American, going to international schools, so that's cool. I feel you guys. Switzerland, Nepal, Thailand, Italy, and then came back to the States for college.
Back here.
Va bene.
In this video, we tore down my RTR Lite from Ronster Rides and rebuilt it from the ashes like a raging phoenix. I'm giving away a whole set of these upgrades to a random Ronster Rides customer by Christmas. And I got to share my first look at the new Stark Varg SM in Spain. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. And stay tuned!
Yeah.